Today we'll use this food to demonstrate closed-loop embedded control using a cooking technique known as sous vide. We'll use a water bath under precise temperature control in order to cook this food. First of all, don't try this at home. The combination of water and electricity can cause accidents. I'm doing this so you don't have to. Here's our food inside a vacuum pouch sitting in the water bath. The water bath has a temperature sensor and a heating element. This is the Arduino with the embedded control software and some interface circuitry. The temperature sensor uses a digital interface that provides a simple interface to the Arduino. The voltages and currents needed by the heating element are too large for the Arduino. So we use a relay to interface between the Arduino circuitry and the heating element. A relay is a voltage controlled switch. So we can use an output from the Arduino to control whether the relay is on or off. When the relay is on, it connects the heating element to this power supply, which can provide the 12 volts and about 10 amps that are required to run the heating element. But this only allows us to turn the heating element on and off. It doesn't allow us to modulate the amount of heat that it puts out. Instead, we'll use bang-bang control to closely manage the temperature of this water bath, something that's required by sous vide cooking. The controller measures the water temperature and compares it to the desired value. It maintains that temperature within an epsilon range. It may turn the heater on or off depending on whether the water is too cold or too hot. The controller maintains the temperature within a plus or minus epsilon range. In this case, I set the desired temperature to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and the epsilon to plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. That means that the controller will maintain the water bath temperature to between 130 and 132 degrees Fahrenheit. Hysteresis helps the controller ensure that the heater isn't constantly turned on and off. Once the heater is on, it remains on until the temperature goes a certain amount above the target temperature. Once the heater turns off, it stays off until the temperature goes a certain amount below the target temperature. I'll use this foil to cover the water bath to reduce the amount of heat that it loses to the air. We'll let this sit and see what happens. Welcome back. The food's been cooking in the water bath for about 2 hours. Let's take a look. I added this cup to weigh down the food packet so that it wouldn't float to the top. You can see that the food has changed color as it cooks. I'll check the temperature using a food thermometer. That reads as a temperature of 124 degrees, which is about where I wanted it. So, if you'll excuse me, I have some dinner to eat. Thanks for watching.